Hello dear student, this is my second video on the fundamental of grammar. Yesterday we went through the definition of sentence and its kinds. Today we will go a little bit deeper and I'm here with the way of constructing an assertive sentence or declarative sentence. Let's see how a student can come to know to make an assertive sentence or declarative sentence. Dear student, if you need to construct an assertive sentence or declarative sentence, you have to keep these three things in your mind, which you can call the rule to compose a positive sentence or assertive sentence or declarative sentence. What are those three alphabets? Keywords, you can say: S for subject, V for verb, and O for object. At first, whenever you have to translate a Hindi sentence into English, you need to just put these things in the same series: S, V, and O. S means subject, and subject, if you are unable to know, you can ask yourself the question with the help of this word who. For an example, मैं राजू को पढ़ाता हूँ. Who teaches Raju? मैं. So मैं is going to be the subject of the sentence. And how did you come to know? You came to know with the help of this question word. Second one is verb. Verb, as you know, the action, whatever the work is going to be done by the subject, is known as verb. And in Hindi sentences, automatically or by default, the last word of the Hindi sentence in active sentences, we happen to speak only the verb. Means to say that whenever we speak any Hindi sentence, the last word of the sentence is always verb. It is not the last word. Who is written out here, but who is not the last word, because the definition of the word tells us that combination of alphabets which is meaningful. So who is no more a meaningful. We do not get anything out of this whom. But if you talk about padhata, so we know this is a process of teaching, and this is padhana. So nani ne is also one of the definition of all the verb. Third one is object. Object, sometime in English grammar books you will find predicate part. Predicate part, actually the definition of predicate part is leaving subject and verb. Means apart from these two words, the remaining part or the remaining content of a sentence is known as a predicate part. Let's talk about predicate part in detail. An object may be of two kinds. Object has two parts. For first one is known as direct object, and second one is known as indirect object. Direct object is known by us by asking the question with the help of this question word, that is what. The answer of what will always be the direct object of the sentence. For an example, मैं राजू को किताब पढ़ाता हूँ. So what I am going to make him read? The answer is kitab. That means book. So book is direct object. And when it comes to indirect object can easily be known by us with the help of whom. For an example, look at this sentence. मैं राजू को पढ़ाता हूँ. Whom do I teach? The answer of this word whom is here in this sentence, Raju. So Raju is going to be the indirect object of the sentence. Let us translate the positive sentence, especially assertive or declarative sentence here given in Hindi, मैं राजू को पढ़ाता हूँ. At first, what you have to look for, the series should always be written in the same manner: S, V, and O. S for subject. Look for the subject in the sentence. As I told you, subject is known with the help of who. In Hindi, कौन और किसने. कौन राजू को पढ़ाता है? द आंसर टू दिस क्वेश्चन, हु टीचेस राजू, इज मैं. In English, I. Then second word you have to look for from the sentence is verb. What is the verb? Verb is here. The last word of Hindi sentence is verb. Padhana. So padhana is called teach. And the third one is O for object. Object means, as I told you when I was giving you the detail of object may be direct object or indirect object. Even in a particular sentence, both the objects can be given. So you need not get afraid of this. You have to just know about this. What do I teach? Are you getting any answer out of what? You are not getting any answer according to this sentence given here. Second one is whom. Whom do I teach? When you ask this question with the help of whom, or as you know that whom usually gives the answer of indirect object. So you get a kind of answer that's all about Raju. Whom do I teach? I teach Raju. Obviously, now put the same thing in a same series. At first I, then teach, then Raju. The sentence is here. I teach Raju. Let's talk